Hello all, welcome to another session in this course. As part of this session, I am going to cover the next topic, that is what type of applications that Playwright can automate. So let me explain. So Playwright automation tool is specially designed for automating web applications. Any application that you can open in the browser can be automated with the help of Playwright automation tool. So Playwright automates web applications which run on the browsers. So for example, if I open this Chrome browser and if I am able to open an application with the help of one of the example browser like Chrome, or it may be Firefox or Edge or Opera or Safari or IE, whatever it may be, any browser if you take and using that browser by typing some application page URL, okay, by typing the application URL, for example, if I open this application, okay, so such kind of applications which can be opened with the help of browsers are called as web applications. Such kind of web applications can be automated with the help of Playwright automation tool. This application can be automated with the help of Playwright automation tool. Playwright will automate web applications. Playwright is specially designed for automating the web applications, so it can automate the any application that can be opened in the desktop browsers like this in your computer machine in any of the browser. If you are able to open the application, means that kind of applications can be automated, okay, and which are called as web applications can be automated with the help of Playwright automation tool. Not only that, guys, additionally Playwright also can automate the mobile web. That means in your mobile smartphone or whatever it is, or tablet or whatever it is, if you have this Chrome browser, okay, in your mobile phone, not in your computer, desktop computer, guys, rather in your mobile smart phones or whatever it is, okay, in that if you are able to open the Chrome, okay, in case of Android mobile phone, Android smartphone or Android mobile device or whatever it is, if you are able to open the Chrome browser, if you are able to open particular application URL in the Chrome browser, that also can be automated with the help of Playwright. Playwright can automate the applications and run them on the mobile web browsers also. Not only desktop browsers, but also in the mobile web browsers also. Playwright can automate the automation scripts. Okay, can automate the applications not only for the desktop browsers but also for the mobile web. Second thing is Safari, guys. Safari browser. Okay, Safari browser in your iOS devices and all. Okay, can be automated. So Playwright can automate the web applications. It can be either web applications which can be opened in desktop browsers, or it can be opened in mobile web, okay, browsers. So when you write the automation script with the help of Playwright, and you can run this automation scripts to automate this which are written for automating this web applications either on the desktop browsers or on the mobile web. Okay, that's one thing you have to understand. And to conclude this at a high level, Playwright is for automating the web applications. Second thing is what type of applications that Playwright cannot automate. Okay, what type of applications that Playwright cannot automate? Playwright cannot automate mobile applications and desktop applications, guys. Okay, what is a mobile application? You see, if you go to your, for example, let me take you to this article, guys. One minute. I'll show you practically what exactly is a mobile application. So let me go to one of the article here on this website. So once I go to this particular article, guys, once I go to this particular article, I can show you what Playwright cannot automate. What is a mobile application? Why the page is loading a bit slow? Let me load it again. Yeah, yeah. For example, if you see this particular image, guys, there is a smartphone, right? It looks like an Android phone or whatever it is. Okay, whatever the smartphone it may be. Okay. Here you see Facebook application is there, Instagram application is there. Okay, it's like Apple, right? iOS device actually. Okay, it may be Android or iOS, doesn't matter, guys. Any applications that you are either installed on this smartphone devices, or you got by default in the smartphone devices, those kind of applications cannot be automated with the help of Playwright automation tool. Playwright is not for automating the Playwright is not for automating the mobile applications. Okay, for example, in case of Android, how do you install the applications, mobile applications in the Android phone? You can go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store you can search for any particular for example, I want to use WhatsApp. Okay, so I'll go to the Android Play Store, and from there I'll search for WhatsApp and install that, right? Such WhatsApp application you cannot automate with the help of Playwright. Okay. Such WhatsApp application, which is a mobile application, cannot be automated with the help of Playwright. Playwright doesn't have the behavior or functionality or whatever it is or feature for automating the mobile applications. And other things that Playwright cannot automate is desktop applications. The applications which can be installed in your desktop or your laptop or whatever it is, and which runs on the top of the operating systems. And to install that applications, how do you install such kind of applications which run on the top of the operating system of your computer machine? By using the exe files, or in different operating system we have different file extensions, right? Such kind of applications cannot be automated. For example, this whatever the software I'm using here to show you this Playwright with TypeScript actual thing, right? Playwright with, okay, this software name is called as Mind, Xmind, guys. Okay, this is Xmind software. Okay, this software name is Xmind. You see, how did I install the Xmind? Where this Xmind software is running on top of my computer's operating system, that is Windows OS. So this application, Xmind application is nothing but a Xmind application is nothing but a desktop application. Can Playwright automate this Xmind application? The answer is no. Playwright cannot automate. What about this Paint? Paint I have not installed in my Windows machine, but it came by default with my Windows operating system. Even this particular application is also running on the top of the my computer operating system, that is Windows operating system. It is currently running. So such kind of applications like this kind of Paint kind of software also I cannot automate with the help of Playwright because it falls in the desktop application category. Only web applications which run in the desktop browsers or mobile web browsers can be automated with the help of Playwright, guys. But coming to the mobile applications, we cannot automate mobile applications with the help of Playwright. If you really want to automate the mobile applications, what is the best tool for automating the mobile applications, guys? APM. Okay, you have to go for APM. APM automation tool. Playwright is not suitable for automating the mobile applications. What about desktop applications? Playwright is not even suitable for automating the desktop applications like Xmind or MS Office, MS Word, whatever the software it may be. It cannot automate, guys. Desktop applications cannot be automated. If you really want to automate the desktop applications, there are some other tools like UFT, Test Complete, and so on, guys, which can be used for automating the desktop applications. And there are a few other things that you need to know about this Playwright automation tool. That is, Playwright automation tool can be used for automating the API testing. Though we have separate automation tool like Rest Assured framework for automating the API testing, APIs, okay, as part of testing. But Playwright also can be used for automating the API testing. Okay, Playwright also can be used for automating the API testing. So there may be some situation where you want a single automation tool which can do both UI, web application UI automation, at same time API type of UI testing and API testing, or functional testing and API testing. If you want a single automation tool to perform both web application and API testing, then you can go with the Playwright, guys, because you see, if you go for other tools like Selenium automation can do web application, and Selenium automation we don't prefer for automating the API testing. For API testing, we have to go for Rest Assured framework. So for web application automation, from the UI point of view, UI layer, if you want to automate, you are using Selenium, let's say in real time. Okay, for API testing, you are going for another tool known as Rest Assured. But instead of that, you can also use Playwright. Okay, if you want to create a single project or single tool you want to use for doing all the stuff, that is whether it may be web applications automation from UI layer of the application or API testing, both the tests you want to keep it in a single project, then you can go with the Playwright, guys. Instead of using separate tools, single Playwright tool can do this. Okay, some people will try to use Playwright tool just for this particular reason, where it is capable not only for automating the web applications from UI point of view but also from the API testing point of view. Okay, so hope, guys, you got some enough information about what type of applications that Playwright can automate. Playwright at a high level can automate the web applications, okay, which run on desktop browsers and mobile web, okay. Whereas Playwright won't be able to automate the mobile applications and desktop applications, and Playwright can be used for automating the API testing too. So along with the automating the web applications from UI layer of the application, Playwright also can be used for automating the API testing also. So together in a single project, you can have the automation script related to the web application UI layer automation and web application or whatever the application API testing layer. Okay. So with this note, we are done with this session, guys. So let's meet in the next session where I'm going to cover the next topic in the Playwright with TypeScript course. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.